What's up guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Sonos One smart speaker. The Sonos One is the first smart speaker from Sonos, so it's supposed to bring high quality sound to your room, and this speaker has actually no memory built in and also doesn't support Bluetooth connection. So everything you're going to do with this one is to stream from the internet. So you can stream from Spotify, you can stream from Apple Music, you can actually stream from Tidal, which is my favorite subscription online because it's the only one which allows you to have lossless quality. So full audio quality, full blown audio quality, which is what a Sonos speaker deserves. And as you see, I actually bought two of them because you can pair them and get stereo sound. And I believe high quality and mono don't fit together. So a good recommendation, you buy two of them, you get stereo sound, and the price is, similar to what you would pay for one HomePod, so quite reasonable. And they also support Airplay, so if you own an Apple device, you can actually stream your audio to them without the need to go through a streaming service. Let's have a look and see what's inside the box. So let me open one of them for you. I've chosen the black version. There is also a white version if you prefer the white color. I like more the black because it's more like the classic color for a speaker, but white can be somehow more modern and refreshing. Alright, so inside we have some instructions manual, where we will find out also how to use this speaker together with the Sonos app, which you need to install on your phone in order to configure your Sonos. And I believe there's also going to be some instruction on how to set up Alexa, which is the only current one supported system for controlling your device without a phone. So you can actually talk to your speakers because they are smart, and it will interpret actions like Alexa, play music, or Alexa, stop. From some selected services, it's also possible to ask Alexa to play exactly that one playlist you're looking for. So here are the manuals of instruction, and here is the speaker itself. So we got some protecting covers, and here is the Sonos One. It's actually pretty small, as you can see. It's heavy, let's say, but not too much. You can easily hold it in one hand. Here is some sticker, and it's all wrapped up in a protecting textile, so it doesn't get ruined. And here it is, actually pretty nice and solid construction, so it feels like something durable. Besides that, we have one power cable. Good thing the power brick is actually integrated in the speaker. And besides that, if you want to use it, we have also an Ethernet cable. So this will allow you to plug your Sonos One speaker directly to your Ethernet network. Now, of course, this has also a Wi-Fi option, but if you are one of old school guys like me and you prefer to plug your devices into Ethernet for better stability and better speed, and this is definitely a nice touch. And they have included a black Ethernet cable because I bought a black Sonos One. Alright, so that's all for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for the full review.